Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we're going to be talking about the Walgreens preview for the week of the 16th to the 22nd, and we have a week, guys. This is going to be spectacular. First off, go to your digital coupons folder and see if you might have received one of these boosters. It's always a year mileage may vary. Not every account gets them, but we have a 5 back when we spend 20. Saw a lot of people on Instagram get that one. And if you're rich like me, $10 back when you spend 25. How many of you guys got that one? Couple rules pour vous. Again, it's valid from that window only. Even though you can load it early, it's only valid that window. And it's of a one-time use. So if it's still floating in your account, it's a one and done. And yes, you can stack it with one paper and one digital. They do stack. If the paper booster comes out of the Catalina machine for you, you are in business. Do not use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Use your debit card, credit card, or cash bills. Okay, so looking at the cover of this flyer, again from the 16th to the 22nd, this is the last week of the month over there. And I know a lot of you have really not liked the promotion of spend 20, get back that $5 store register reward. This guy been attached to so many different offers, but this is the last week for it. I need to get some Listerine too looking at this, but just the last week of this. First superb deal is on the Dove for $7, $5 reward when you spend 20, which is a store register reward. This is where the deal starts to work. If you head over to your Flip app, we have a preview of a 7 off of 2 digital coupon. Loading it with this booster, which is 5 back when you spend 20, I think you can see where I'm going, where we're going to get some next to really, really cheap Dove body wash. So grabbing 3 of these body washes for $21 or $7 a pop, that's how I'm getting the math. We have our booster loaded, 5 back when you spend 20. Along with the digital coupon loaded, you have to load that on Sunday morning, guys. You're going to pay $14 with your debit card, get back $5 in Walgreens cash for the booster, plus that $5 store register reward, making it $4 for the 3 or $1.33 per body wash. Remember not to use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay down the balance as you're using a booster in concert with this, but what a great deal. The next deal that we have is just a hodgepodge of products. We're going to grab 2 of the TRESEMMEs, and we have a 5 off of 2 digital coupon. I believe you could load that last week. So load it. And then we're also going to grab 2 of these toothpastes. We have a $2 digital. I'll show you the coupons in a second, plus a $4 digital. Now, just to make this a little better, we're going to have this booster loaded, which is 5 back when you spend 20. So this is going to be one of these deals where you're going to really have to scan everything in the store to make sure that your digital coupons are attaching. So if you're a newer shopper and you want to go on autopilot, no, you're really going to have to pay attention to the fine print and the digital coupons for this deal and scan every product to ensure that the digitals are attaching, including this 5 off of 2 for the TRESEMME, along with this $4 off of one of the crests. Now, I will let you guys know that this is a for you, so not everybody's going to get this $4 off, along with this $2 off. So if you can line this deal up exactly and you have no problem scanning stuff in the store, this might be a deal for you. So 2 of the TRESEMMEs is 12 on the nose, and then 2 of the crests at $4 a pop is 8 for a total of 20 bucks. We have our booster loaded, which is 5 back when you spend 20, along with the $11 of digital manufacturers that I showed you in the slides previous. You're paying $9 with your debit card, getting back $5 in Walgreens cash and a $5 store register reward, making this free plus a $1 money maker. Let's not forget not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance, as it will mess everything up as we're doing this deal in concert with a spend booster. So this is a really good deal. I'm excited by this one, and I actually have that $4 coupon, so I might have to try this one out myself. As stated, this is the last week for this promotion of spend 20, get back 5. I know a lot of you are like, adios, I don't like this deal. I haven't liked it either. It seems like they consolidated a bunch of deals just to go with this, and there was no free toothpaste or oral care, like very slim pickings. So I'm happy to see this one go, and hopefully they don't continue it into the month of November. Okay, the next little deal that I want to talk about, if you are a newer shopper, is with the Arm & Hammer. This is a 21 loader. So in your store, if you can possibly find the 27 or the 29, which are the bigger ones for the same price, rummage through your store and see what they might have. But anyhow, at $1.99, that's a spectacular price. Grabbing 3 of them at that cost, that is $5.97. Use $5 register reward or $5 in Walgreens cash, whatever you might have, and pay 97 cents plus the tax. If you're a newer couponer trying to build up your stockpile, I think you could see the magic here that this is a really good deal to really start building your stockpile, especially if you're new to this. And who knows with inflation how high this will be next year. It just seems like we're always, tiptoeing around that, where prices are always magically more. Another really good stock up deal is with the Dawn dish soap for 99 cents. So these are the smaller ones. They're not the really big ones, but a small amount of this can go really far. Similar to the last deal, let's grab 6 of them at 99 cents a pop for $5.97. Use $5 in Walgreens cash or a registered reward if you might have it and pay 97 cents. For 6 of these, that's quite a bit, and you're just basically rolling your Walgreens rewards into something that you can use in your home that's useful if you're using a lot of Dawn dish soap. But what a great little offer. This deal is with the CeraVe. CeraVe Bath Care BOGO 50% off. Earn a $5 reward when you spend $20. That sounds pretty familiar. Okay, so this is where this deal gets really interesting. And they have a lot of different body washes in their line as well. So somebody will have to test this out and let us know. We have a $3 digital off of one of these products. And then this came out of the Catalina machine a while back, and it's valid from the 3rd till the 30th. And it says when you buy 3 or more, you're going to get back a $5 reward. And I believe that is a register reward from the manufacturer, not a store register reward. So this is kind of interesting because the other one said to spend 20, get back 5. So that's 2 different promotions. If you might have this as well and you really love the CeraVe body wash line, let's look at a deal. Grabbing 3 of the products at $10.49 on a BOGO 50% off. That's $27.47. You have your booster loaded, which is 5 back when you spend 20, plus the one $3 digital. So you're going to pay $24.47 with your debit card, get back a $5 store register reward for spending $20 on this stuff, plus a $5 register reward from the manufacturer, plus another $5 in Walgreens cash for doing this deal with the booster. It shakes it out to $9.47 for the 3 products, or $3.15 each. Remember not to use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, but what a great little deal. Especially I know some of the rough and bumpy skin or psoriasis, diabetic skin relief, it's part of this. So if you need specialized body wash, this might be a deal for you. Okay, and the treat of the week leading up to Halloween, they have cheaper candy. We have the Kit Kat, and look at that really adorable witch's brew. If you want to hand this out to trick-or-treaters or have it, a big bowl of candy at your office, you might be the most popular person. So $2.49, I would use $2 in Walgreens cash and pay 49 cents. What a great price point, especially if you love Kit Kats. Now for all the parents out there, let's look at a quick Pampers deal. They are 2 for $21. So the 3rd bag will ring up half of that cost, so it'll be like $31.50 for the 3 bags. And let's try and make a deal with a booster. I have this friend loaded, which is $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend 20. Plus we have a digital coupon, guys, which is this 3 off of 2 off of the Pampers. Didn't see any IBOTTA rebates though, so yeah. 3 of the bags of the Pampers is $31.50. Subtracting that 3 off of 2 digital, we have our booster loaded, which is 5 back when you spend 20. With your debit card, you're going to pay $28.50. You're getting back a $5 store register reward and then $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $18.50 for the 3 or $6.16 per bag. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance. Okay, friends, let's take a quick look at some honorable mentions. If you are in need of some Tide Bounce Downy, these good items, 6 for $16.47. If you'll remember, the week before that, they were $5.49 with a $6 register reward. So this is a different take on it, just to get some inexpensive detergent. I don't think this is the worst price, especially if you might have a $10 register reward and you're like, I don't know what to do with it. This might be an option. Also, we have this all for $3.99. In the Flip app, I could not see a digital coupon, but whenever it's priced at this cost, usually there's always a digital coupon to go with. So on Sunday morning, we're going to have to look through our digital coupons folder and see what we might have. And if you have a lot of teenagers at home, or if you're in need of food, $1.99 for the nice half cashews or trail mix, BOGO free on Kellogg's. 2 for $10 for that bacon. That's a very good price point. Heinz is BOGO 50% off. Various food items. I would use $20 in Walgreens cash and go crazy in the store. And the sodas, buy 2, get 1 for free on Coke. Aquafina is $5.49 for a 24 pack. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.